and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to share some easy healthy recipes that are good for your skin. Even though my skin hasn't been the best condition lately because with the heat, it's been really warm in the Netherlands, I've been getting these small bumps, even though I don't think you can see it in the camera. But eating healthy is not only good for your health, but then it also shows on your skin. Plus a lot of these things, I like to remind myself of it, and making these type of videos inspires me. It reminds me to continue on this path, even though I don't eat like this 100% of the time. I would say more 80%. And in case you want to eat better for your health and also for it to reflect on your skin, make sure you stay tuned and watch more. I will also be adding images with benefits of specific ingredients, so it will help show you what the benefits are and maybe inspire you to include those more in your diet. I will also add them on my website in my web shop, and I will add the link for those below if you would like to check them for later references. Enjoy this video, let me know which recipe you like the most, and if there are things that you like to enjoy and eat, make sure that you share your tips and wisdom with me, because I'm always curious to learn more. So for this chia pudding, I'm gonna use some hot water on the chia seed because I noticed that it helps it make thicker quickly. Then I'm gonna make an applesauce first. I'm gonna mix it, then add some oatly milk, and then mix it with the curcuma or turmeric and the chia seeds. Also added some cinnamon and a bit of agave syrup because I have a bit of a sweet tooth, so I always like to sweeten things a bit more. And this is what the mix looks like right now. I'm gonna leave this and let it sit for a few hours until it becomes thicker. I'm gonna leave it out because I don't want it to be too cold, and then I'm gonna add some fruits on top so it becomes a nice yellow chia pudding. And this is what the pudding looks like. It's not as thick as I wanted, but then again I don't like it when it's too thick. Now on top of it I'm gonna add pineapple and mango. And this is what it looks like from the side. Next I'm gonna use a jar that is smaller so it's easier to have the things on top. But for now this works good, so I'm gonna have this and enjoy my breakfast. I did my own version of guacamole with avocado. I also added salt, garlic, chili, and then also added some mayonnaise because I think it makes it super tasty and more creamy, but you can leave the mayonnaise out if you prefer, or add vegan mayonnaise. So for this soup I will be using coconut milk, zucchini, sweet potatoes, kale and leek. And then I will also be adding spices and turmeric into the soup. I will show you along the way. This is optional if you want to add more spiciness to your soup. And this is what the final soup looks like. It is super tasty and packed with nutrients that are great for your health and therefore also your skin. For this golden milk, I will be using curcuma or turmeric, black pepper because it activates the turmeric, cinnamon, agave syrup, and some oat milk. Then I also will be adding some coconut oil because it also helps with the extra detox effect of the golden milk. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some ideas for healthy recipes that you can include more in your diet in order to get more beautiful skin. I will see you in my next video and I hope you stay safe. I'm sending you love and light.